Let's take a short tour of the image generator layout, following the same approach we used for the navigation overview earlier in the course. This isn't about creating anything yet, it's just to help you understand where everything lives before we move on to prompting and references. At the top of the screen, you'll see 4 main tabs: Image, Video, Audio, and Tools. For this episode, make sure you're on the Image tab, since that's the view we're focusing on here. Just below the tabs, you'll now see a Browse Templates section. This opens the template browser, where you can explore ready-made setups created by the team. Inside the template browser, templates are organized into different categories. You'll find your own templates, new ones, featured templates, and collections grouped by themes like photography, architecture, or specific models. This is a fast way to get started or explore different creative directions. Below the template browser, you'll find the model selector. This is where you choose which image model you want to work with before generating. Below the selector is the section for references. References lets you provide context for the image generator, for example by uploading a reference image. The 3 default options you'll see here are Style, Character, and Upload. We'll look at these in more detail in the following episodes. If you open the Add menu, you'll notice additional reference types you can include. And if there's one you use often, you can pin it so it stays visible while you work. Moving down the interface, you reach the prompt box where you describe what you want to create. Just to the right, you'll notice a simplified set of tools. And what appears here can change depending on the model you're using. In this example, we also have the option to set a seed. The seed helps keep certain visual elements consistent across generations, which is useful when you want to explore variations without changing everything. Next to it, you'll also find the Upload Image to Describe option. When you click it, a new window opens. From here, you can choose an image from your history, browse stock images, explore the community, or simply drag and drop any image from your laptop. Once you select an image, it's added to the prompt box and can be used as a starting point to generate a prompt. You'll also find the prompt editor icon. The prompt editor opens a separate window where you can work with image-to-prompt tools and refine your prompt in different ways. Under the prompt box are the generation controls. Here you can choose how many images to produce at once and adjust the format you want to work with. At the bottom of this section is the Generate button. We won't use it in this episode, but this is where you trigger the creation process once your prompt is ready. Now let's look to the right side of the screen. This area shows your creations, everything you've generated inside the image generator. Just above them, you'll see 4 options: History, Community, Templates, and Tutorials. History gives you access to your past generations, along with your uploads, downloads, and saved items, useful when you want to reuse or revisit previous work. Community showcases creations made by other users, which can be helpful when you're looking for inspiration or exploring different styles. Templates provide ready-made starting points with prompts already built in, so you can jump into creating without starting from scratch. Finally, Tutorials offers short, easy-to-follow guides focused on specific use cases. These are quick to watch and designed to help you learn by example, right when you need it. We won't go any deeper here, but all 4 options are available directly inside the image generator to keep your workflow in one place. Along the top right of the page, you'll also find tools for switching between content types, changing the view mode, and filtering your creations by date. You'll see a search icon that lets you quickly find specific images, and a favorites option where you can save and revisit creations you want to keep handy. And that's the full layout of the image generator. This episode is focused purely on understanding the interface, what each area is and where it lives. From here, we'll begin focusing on prompting and how references influence the look and feel of your images. I hope you enjoyed it. Come join me in the next episode,